Hi, I'm going to describe about my DJ application as a tutorial for DJs who might want to use my software. Firstly, you load files into the players, so please add them into the library first. To load files, you can simply press the Add button, choose the music, press Open button, and the music is added to the library. The music is added if it's not in the library. So if it already exists, then it does nothing. So the library only contains unique files. Okay, let's add some music. Okay, once you add some files in your library, you can load the music you want to mix into the DJ deck. For example, if you want to play this music, click on load one button, so it's loaded to the left side of the deck, and the waveform is also loaded. And if you want to mix this music, click on load two button, and it's loaded to the right side of the deck. Once they are loaded, you press play button to start playing them. You can control the music using the playback controls here. You can change the volume. With the volume slider and the speed. And the current position of the music. For example, if you want to slow down the music by half, it's easiest to enter 0.5 on the speed slider section rather than moving the slider. And enter number 1 to go back to the original speed. For other features for the music library, you can see the file name here, the track title section, and here for the length of the music. To search music in your library, please enter the partial name of the file here, and the matched file is displayed. To retrieve the original list, you simply hit the enter with the blank box. Finally, the music library persists, so when you exit and restart the application, this library is restored and maintain the same files. I hope you enjoy the application. Thank you very much.